most efficient way to run your business, power it by ERP. Here is the introduction and background to ERP. If you are running your business with accounting software, then you are dependent on your accountant. If you are using a software product for a specific requirement to handle your business, then you are managing it partially. If you have started your business to grow and to make an impact in your industry, then do not miss to watch this video till the end. As per one of the research, 80% of successful CEOs give credit to the right decision that they made by implementing the right technology and ERP system during the initial as well as in growing period. So, what is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise means a business or company. Resources with respect to businesses are mainly 4 M's: money, material, machine, and manpower. Money is the lifeline to run the business. This includes accounting, finance, and costing. Material management is crucial for most of the business as better inventory control and supply chain shall make business perform better. Materials include raw material and consumables which are used for production. Machine includes tools, equipment, machinery, systems and other infrastructure which is used for production and manufacturing. Manpower, that is people who are part of operations and business. These are the key resources which need to be handled effectively and efficiently. To get a better understanding of the ERP system and how it can benefit your business, let me give a quick overview and background of the ERP evolution. Like any other evolution, ERP has evolved over ages. In the earlier days of the Industrial Revolution, the businesses were controlled and managed through bookkeeping. After the introduction of the calculator, the operations were a little easier. Computer introduction gave a bigger boost to mankind, and the initial software was written for basic bookkeeping and accounting, that is, managing money through accounting software. As the business grew, the next challenge were how to manage the material, which is popularly known as MRP, Material Requirement Planning. Inventory software was introduced. The next priority for automation was how to use the machines efficiently, as every machine was at a huge cost and also needed for a better production planning. Scheduling and maintenance was of high importance for a better ROI, that is return on investment. That is when MRP II, Manufacturing Resource Planning, came to existence, popularly known as Production Planning Software. Handling people who work in factories, industries and business was a challenge, as multiple shifts, OT, that is overtime, and other benefits to be tracked efficiently. To address this, a system was needed to handle the manpower. Payroll software was the start of it. These solutions were all serving the specific needs like accounting, inventory, production and payroll. Business operations were disconnected. When businesses were scaling to multi-branches, the challenges related to that also increased. To bring all the departments and various resources, that is money, material, machine and manpower together, the need of an integrated solution was of utmost importance. This need gave birth to ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP today is not just about planning the resources. It also includes management. The other term for it is ERM, Enterprise Resource Management, which includes sales and orders management, project management, supply chain management, customer relationship management, human resource management, also integration of various need-based modules like point of sale, customer support system and so on. These add-ons gave name like ERP I, ERP II and so on. But still, the integrated solution is popularly known as ERP, which is helping businesses to have better clarity about their process and operations, which shall help the entrepreneurs make the right decision at the right time to grow the business faster and profitably. ERP is further scaling up and bringing the latest technology in its forte, which include IoT, Internet of Things, machine learning, big data and AI, that is artificial intelligence. With this introduction and background, we can relook at our business and see where do we stand in adoption of technology or ERP system. Are we in the beginning of software evolution? That is, are we using the software only for accounting system or using the software to address challenges for few of the departments? Having integrated ERP system shall provide you complete visibility into your business, optimize systems through superior tracking and reporting system, helps you in key business decision making, and also shall make you competitive and grow in your business. Hey, I'm Sudhakar, a technopreneur. Sincerely thank you for your time towards watching this video. Please do subscribe the channel to know more about upcoming videos on enterprise applications like benefits of implementing ERP, knowing more about ERP features, choosing the right ERP for your business, and the topic which you would comment on this subject.